Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And today I'm a little bit bothered inside of my room and I need to go outside to see the view of Jakarta, and also I will get into the busway, and then I also will enjoy the view while I driving the busway. And also, there's something really important to tell you guys because currently is late celebration. I'm sorry. So which means a lot of people are going to their hometown and then leaving Jakarta for a while, and so that's why Jakarta so much quite calm for currently, and I wish I can go back to my hometown, but maybe for the next week I will go back to my hometown. Wow, guys, look in the front. There is a street over there, and the street looks really calm. So I could buy something right in the on my first. So I don't need sweet drink for today. Maybe I just need a cool and fresh. Yeah, so let's see. There's Aqua, and then Coca-Cola, Sprite, and so on. Wow, and look at this. There's a discount for the some product for the yellow color. Yeah, it means there's a discount. Wow, look at this. Buy one, get two with almost 11,000 rupiah. I think it's better for me to take. I just climbed the staircase. Guys, right now the Jakarta is quite calm for today. I don't know what's just going on over here. And guys, so actually this is rush hour. If I compare to the usual an ordinary day, but because the holiday and a celebration, so look at that. Wow, guys. Yeah, you can stare at the car and motorbike, but just a view a month. I think so, guys. I just take a rest at the bench, and also in the front of me, I can see a tower. Wow, look at that. Kartika Towers, Aston Kartika Global. I also came across a tree. Wow, look at that, guys. What's that? It is a tree. That is the tree, isn't it, guys? I think it is a unit tree, and people make it more interesting and more than one tree over there. You can see that. And I also, in my opinion, the way they form the tree like that, it will increase the price of the tree. And also, it's so very nice while we had that tree inside of our house or in our farm. How about you guys thinking like that? Guys, look at this yellow line. And I fairly often walking from this line street because I don't know why, just this is a channel. So you can see this building. The building across this area will throw away the water. The water is like very dirty, and you can see the father completely explain that. Yeah, you can see this is Trisakti campus, and it's so very close to my place. And I fairly often walking from side of this campus, Trisakti University. Wow, I think the stairs quite steep, But so let's head over to the stair. Wow, guys, the stairs is quite steep, guys. But I have to be careful with each my step. Wow, look at this traffic. Look at this road. So very empty. Wow, guys. What's up, guys? So this is actually the new busway store. So a lot of people are going to the complex. Welcome. So let's head over to the lower Carnaval Stadium, right next to just few minutes. Actually, it's been 10 minutes. I walking around this lower Carnaval. I also bring my bag and so much, you know. I also bring my bag. So I also bring my bag. So it's impossible for me to take jogging with this bag stick to my shoulder. And I think I will put my bag first to the locker. And you know, guys, before I step out of my room, I already buy the vitamin, the orange vitamin. So I fairly often consume this drink while I have it done sport, or even when I'm going to start, because I think this quite better to who wanna increase their ability about the durability while take sport. And so far they consume the full of vitamin C actually. And also, how about the taste of this one? While I consume this, I think it's better for you. I have to this one. UC1000, UC1000, and vitamin, vitamin orange. But in fact, I actually have so many orange fruit right in the refrigerator actually. But I keep buying this this bottle of orange, but actually it's not a matter for me. It's the same thing, but just another produce, you know. Wow. Wow. I think it's time for go back to my place. Actually, the sky is getting dark. It's not because the night, but actually the rain is about to fall. Actually, I don't know, but just first. Yeah, because I don't even bring my umbrella, so I just afraid to be wet, and also I will be a little bit headaches if I look at that, guys. Wow. And also everything just move around, like leaves are rolling down, rolling out from one place to another, and I think it's a good way for us to stay away from this place.